Hey guys, this is Mike from B-Tech Reviews here, and today we unbox and take a look at the iPhone 13 Pro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to unbox the iPhone 13 Pro. Now this is not the 13 Pro Max, this is just the regular iPhone 13 Pro. And I ordered the 256 gigabits or gigabytes variant of this, and this is the graphite color. Normally, I go with the product red versions of these phones, but because the Pro versions does not have the product red version, I ended up having to opt in for a different device. So for those of you guys who follow me on the channel, first of all, thank you guys for continuing to follow me. I know I haven't really been posting videos on the channel, but hopefully that changes soon. I will be hopefully doing some testing with the the iPhone 13 Pro camera and possibly comparing it to the Pixel 6 Pro, which I am currently filming on right now. So if you guys are wondering what I'm filming on, I'm currently filming on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. So anywho, let's get this going. Obviously, you can see that the box is very thin here. Very, very small box. I did order this directly from Apple just because I didn't want to have to hassle with the pricing as far as, having to pay extra on my phone bill. And plus, I got my income tax money, so a lot of that went to this new phone device. And I am going to either end up selling my iPhone 12 mini, or I'm actually going to trade it in. I think Apple's giving me about $350 of I guess credit there. So let's take a look, and this won't be probably a long unboxing, but for a lot of you guys that know and have seen these unboxings already, hey, thanks. I'm a little late to the game, but I did want to get this phone, and I think it looks very sleek and very good looking. I might end up having to get a clear case for it, and wow, I can tell you just from the looks of it, this is a very nice looking sleek phone. Like, I really am enjoying just the look of this. Hopefully that'll be my thumbnail. But anywho, looks very nice, and I've never had a triple camera setup with the iPhone, so that's going to be new to me. Definitely I've had the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12 over here, so again, just for comparison purposes, you can see here that obviously the non-Pro versions only have the 2 camera setup, while this one has the 3. It's very nice looking. I think it's pretty much Apple's kind of like padded in look now. We'll see how that goes as far as the next generation of iPhones. I'm probably going to hold this phone for a pretty long time, though. Again, this is the 256 gigabyte version, and man, it's always good to have and hold these new phones in the hand. Always nice. And just so you guys can kind of see here, again, the graphite version, the side and the angling of this. And I don't recall if I'm shooting this in 1080 or 4K, but we'll see how that goes. It's still going to look good and crispy regardless with this Pixel 6 Pro camera. So drop it. No, I'm just kidding. Definitely a very nice looking and solid phone, and I actually ordered a few extra things with this just to kind of go with it. I ordered a Spigen mag armor case. This one is so that I can basically use this to MagSafe charge it on the back, and just so I can give you guys an example really quick of how the case probably looks like. I'm going to do a separate unboxing. It looks somewhat like this, and you can see here on my iPhone 12 mini, it's been kind of worn after a year of use. You can see the circle on the back, so that's how that looks like. But definitely, it was time for the upgrade. I definitely wanted something that was a little bit bigger in size. After long testing this phone for a year, I realized that definitely the smaller size really wasn't for me. As far as the phone goes, it's still a nice little pocketable phone, right? And what kind of killed it for me was the battery life of the actual device. So the battery life of the iPhone 12 mini really at the beginning was kind of kind of led me to want to trade the phone back in. But at the end of the day, I ended up keeping the phone after the couple of weeks or the grace period of having the phone. So I really wanted to try to keep this as long as I can, but the one thing that kind of killed it towards the end for me was the battery life. I think right now currently this phone is sitting at 83% capacity on the battery life after having it a year, and I think that's pretty sad, honestly, if you think about it, just because a lot of other phones, battery life or the battery capacity won't be as short as something like that. So again, I'll always be a fan of the iPhone, mini series, but I just decided, hey, it's time to go back and, get something a little bit nicer. And, again, something more sleek. And man, I'm enjoying this phone. I also ordered a glass case for this. Got to make sure the the phone's protected. Obviously, I don't want to drop it on the first day. Drop it on the first day. But I mean, oh man, just looking at it, it's a beautiful looking device. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up. I am gonna transfer pretty much mostly everything from this device to this device. But again, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys here on the channel, and hopefully we can get a few thumbs up on the actual video. I guess just to kind of go over what is in the inside of the phone, just because I haven't really looked at the rest of the box, or I'm sorry, the rest of the box here. It looks like all you do is just get the wire. I mean, of course, obviously you don't get headphones anymore. You get basically just, I'm assuming this is a sticker, SIM card removal tool. That's basically it, man. Apple's really kind of dumbed it down. And again, if you want that fast watt charging, you want to make sure you order something that will help you out with that. And of course, I'm pretty much not really using the ports on these anymore as far as charging the devices. Only when I'm on the road or something like that. But for the most part, I use that MagSafe charging case. I take advantage of that. And on the road, I do have a wireless charger in my car, so that does help. But of course, if I'm in my truck, I do connect it. So definitely something to think about. Again, going into 2022, I can't believe it's already 22. And I know I'm late to the game on this. These phones came out last year already. But for the most part, let's go ahead and turn this on. By the way, let's go ahead and see that nice, pretty OLED screen here. Hopefully, it has a charge. Yeah. So again. Again, I'm late to the game on this, and a lot of people are really talking about the Samsung Galaxy S22 currently right now, which I'm definitely never have been a fan of the Samsung and their devices ever since ever since the S3. Basically, I haven't really been a fan of the series. My last Samsung phone that I tried using as a daily was the Samsung Galaxy S7. I just really wasn't a fan of that. But again, going back here, definitely iPhone. I did transition over to iPhone. And a couple years back, and not to say that I don't love my Androids, right? I still love my Androids. Big shout out to Team Pixel over here with the Pixel 5a, right? And again, I'm currently shooting on the Pixel 6 Pro, so I definitely excited to see what the battery life on this device will be. And of course, I want to check out the video as well, so keep an eye out on that, guys. I will be posting up pictures and video with this, possibly even as early as tomorrow or the following days. So hopefully keep an eye on the channel for that, guys. But again, guys, Mike from B-Tech Review signing off again. Thanks again for watching the video. Of course, big shout outs to guys like Tito, guys like Latrell, guys like Gene. Thanks for again following the channel, and guys like Tobin again. So again, shout outs to you guys before the video ends. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, guys, and we'll see you guys next time. Please subscribe. Okay, thank you.